In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable your microphone on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left side, and then on the right side, select sound. Scrolling down underneath Advanced, select All Sound Devices, and then select your input device listed here, and then select Don't Allow if you want to disable it or Allow if you want to enable it, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.